Okay, we're now live on YouTube. Mr. Hernandez, can you raise your right hand for me? You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, let me do this. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir, I do.
Is your name Christopher Hernandez?
Yes, sir.
Christopher Hernandez, when this cause number 730-629, who's charged with the offense of indecent exposure. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir, I do.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you've signed it and your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of indecent exposure, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
We're off.
And you understand that on the plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 82 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case?
Yes, Your
Ms.
Honor.
Calderola?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, sir, I do.
Then, Mr. Hernandez, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 82 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, sir, is this the only case holding Ms. Calderola?
No, Your Honor, there's a felony pending.
Oh, there's a felony pending. So as far as this case is concerned, this case is over with, but you still have to deal with a felony. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you. Take care.
Thank you.
Ms.
Good luck.
Calderola, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you,
Appreciate
Judge.
it.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you, Terry.
Thank you, Gail. Okay, let's see.
Good morning.
Good morning. Is Mr. Dakote's here?
The dreaded
Did you-
interpreter is here.
Yes, the interpreter's here, but Mr. Coates hasn't had his client sign paperwork yet. So Mr. Coates, move yourself back to room 3 so that you have to go over the paperwork so your client can sign.
And he has to sign it.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
So
And make sure
Yeah.
that He hits the send button once he signed it, or else you can't do the plea, okay?
All right, got it.
Do you know how to move yourself back?
Maybe.
You have three little dots somewhere on your screen.
Yes,
Use that and move back to room 3.
got it. Thank
You
you.
got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All righty. Mr.
Okay.
Ramos.
Mr. Ramos, what's happening? I see paperwork on my screen on Patricia Lawrence. I see her on my screen as
Got it.
well.
Got
it. Pull her paperwork out. Okay, Miss Lawrence, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I swear.
Okay, got to speak up a little louder, ma'am, okay? Thank you. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Oh, I think he said.
Miss Lawrence, do you see my screen?
I see a document on them.
Yeah, do you see the documents on my screen?
I see it.
I need a verbal answer, ma'am. I
Yeah.
need it loud enough so I can hear it, okay?
Yeah.
Or else we can't get you out of jail, all right? Speak up
Yeah.
loud and clear. All right. Is your name Patricia Lawrence? Is your
Yes, it is.
name Patricia Lawrence? Okay. Are you the same Patricia Lawrence who in this cause number 2024 CC 736117 who stands charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, it is.
This case is a class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with, what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes,
Looking now at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, you've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that right?
right.
I'm sorry?
You don't have to put my video, no? So there's
I'm just
talking-
having a hard time hearing you. I'm not
There
trying to
was
be.
talking in the background, so I had to. read
Okay.
it again.
This document says that it's okay to do it by video. Is that correct?
Yes,
Thank you. I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it, and so is your attorney. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
yes,
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
yes,
And do you understand it?
yes,
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
yes,
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it, and so is your attorney. And when you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
I understand, yes.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Which is
Guilty,
better?
not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Okay.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No,
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
no,
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
yes,
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 15 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Ramos?
yes,
Okay, and Miss Lawrence, is that your understanding as well?
yes,
Then the court, ma'am, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 15 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. Is this the only case holding your client, Mr. Ramos?
I believe so, Judge.
If this is the only case holding you, ma'am, then you should be released sometime today, okay? Good luck to
Alright.
you.
Thank you.
And Mr. Ramos, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Go back on the-
Okay, so we're rocking and we're sort of rolling. Now what can I screw up next? Let's see.
Mr. Dakotes, did you get your client to sign?
I think so. I hope so.
Thanks.
Well,
Okay.
Mr.
You got
Dakota, I'm
paperwork?
waiting for the paperwork to hit my screen. It hadn't hit my screen yet. So let's hope that you did.
Okay, I definitely had him sign there and press next and yeah. And press sign. I hope that it'll get there.
Okay, deputies. Any deputy? Or not?
They were kind of helping him there also.
Oh, they were.
Yeah, so
Okay.
fingers crossed.
Judge, you have the paperwork on Mr. Rendon.
No, ma'am, I do not.
Okay, let me see.
Oh, well, let me
Yeah.
look. Let me move. Let me see. Maybe this is on my screen. I'm not seeing it, but
Did you have something? Put them at the camera, we're ready for, camera's ready.
I got it now. It just came
Okay,
in.
got it, Judge. We're ready, Judge. They put him at the camera, Judge.
Pinero Rendon, right?
Yes, yes, Judge, and he's sitting at the camera there.
And he's gonna need the translator, right?
Okay, this is
Yeah.
correct, Judge. And
Okay.
let's see, I think Arlene is the one here, Judge.
Yeah, and Arlene is here. Arlene, you here? Yeah. Unmute yourself, Arlene. There you go. Arlene. Arlene. Darth Vader interpreter, Arlene. Yeah. Let's see. Her screen is dark and she's muted. I'm thinking she's talking to someone on the phone.
How do you change it? The interpreter, how do you
Arlene?
I'm calling her.
pushing that arrow? But it doesn't say.
So go to here, go to
Yeah,
more,
I went to there.
then
She doesn't have it.
he hasn't done it yet. Judge,
Yes.
Judge, have you done the interpretation yet?
Have I done what yet?
Have you put the interpretation button on yet? or
No, but I haven't because I don't have Arlene on the screen yet. But I will.
Okay.
I'll hit the interpretation button now. Let me
Just so I can see if I can put it on the iPad.
okay. ARL. All right, so I'm putting her name in right now. I'm hitting start. I'm hitting English only. So I've got the interpretation thing set up. I just don't have an interpreter. She's ignoring me. Can you believe that? Cannot believe that. Mr. Dakota, we're waiting on the interpreter. She's being delayed on for some reason. Arlene. Oh, there you are, finally. It's okay. I've hit all the interpretation buttons.
See?
Can you double check to make sure they're working? Is it okay? Okay. All right, Mr. Rendon, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Hold up.
Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see my screen, sir?
See?
Is your name Juan Rendon?
See?
Are you the same Juan Rendon Pinero, Juan Rendon Pinero, who in this cause number CC 734-444 is charged with the offense of theft of something having a value between $100 and $750? Is that you?
See?
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment can be in your case?
Sí.
I'm looking at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You have signed it, and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Sí.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it, and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí.
And do you understand it?
Sí.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
No.
You understand that a plea of guilty or finding of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country?
Sí.
In other words, if you have a green card, it's possible you could lose your green card. It's possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It's possible that you could be deported. You understand those three possibilities?
Sí.
Mr. DeCoste, did you talk to your client about the possible immigration consequences, and does he understand them?
I did, Judge, and I believe he does.
Mr. Rendon, I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it, and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí.
So then, to the offense of theft as a Class B misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Culpable.
Okay, hold on. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement, that's your lower gap for you. Besides that, anyone promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Sí. Porque sé que
Is
lo
there a
que
plea
está
bargain?
mal.
Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs 17 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Stokes?
That's mine, Judge, yes.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Rendon?
Que no escuché bien por el ruido de la puerta.
I'm sorry, interpreter?
Que no escuché bien porque sonaron la puerta y no.
Okay, I just asked. Okay, the plea bargain is time served for 17 days. Do you agree to that plea bargain, Mr. Rendon?
Sí.
And I already asked you, Mr. Coates, if that was your understanding of the plea bargain, correct?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. So then, Mr. Rendon, the court having heard you plead guilty, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 17 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Does he have another case holding him, or does he have an immigration hold on him, Mr. Coates?
I think this is his only case. Last
Okay.
time he did not have an
Okay, Mr. Rendon, if you don't have anything else holding you, you should be released, but you might have an immigration hold. I don't know. All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Coates.
Be excused, Your Honor.
You can be excused. Thank you.
Muchas gracias. Dios la bendiga.
Annex, right? That's the annex. Annex.
So what are we doing next?
We have one more Spanish plea to do on Rebecca Davila. She's in room 1, Judge, conferring.
Okay,
Still doing her work. Let's see, I'm still waiting for Leland McCrae. He's said he'd log in the next few minutes, Judge, to do Ozona. He's got 2 cases on the docket, Leland McCrae on that one person, Ozuna.
okay.
And then Everett Kreider on the very last page, Judge. I already sent him an email and called him, but no answer, Judge, on a
Last time
Sterling.
he was on the docket, he was in the hospital, wasn't he?
Oh, he was? Okay, Judge, I don't know, Judge.
I have a memory of him being in the hospital for some reason.
Right,
but-
right. Miss Mitchell, is Sterling Danica, is that a JSAT or what are we doing on that one? Because if not, I'll have to give that away if Richard Garcia is my attorney of the day, Judge, so we'll see.
Yes, it is a JSAT offer.
It is a JSAT offer. Okay, well, I called him again, left him a message. Judge, I don't know how long you want me to wait for him, Judge.
Kind of early yet.
Okay, Judge,
Try
we'll
calling
just
him
wait.
at the end of this plea.
Okay, got it, Judge.
Joanne Eagle is here. Does she have a case on the?
I think she's got somebody on the bonds, Judge. I have to look. I don't know if we're doing her case today. I gotta look through that and let me.
Okay. I
let me
don't want
look
to get
through
rid
that.
of have something
Yeah.
to tell her.
That's with you. Oh, yeah. Salute settle. Sheffield, no. Who's this? Joanne April. Yeah, we're add on. Yeah, she's on Daniel Montoya, Judge, on the misdemeanor docket. I see Joanne Eagle there on a number
Okay.
10. Number 10, Judge. You see that?
All right.
I see her name there.
When we get ready to do that, we'll
Yeah, well, yeah. Yeah, that's what I have her on. I don't have her listed anywhere else with anybody else.
Can
Yeah,
I
that's
let our
fine.
fabulous interpreter leave?
Well, she's got one more plea to do, Judge. Rebecca
Too bad
Davilos
we
in
are-
room 1.
Sorry, you gotta
Yeah.
stay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. I'm just hurrying up and I'm waiting. Okay, Terry, now that
Yeah.
Mr. McRae is here, call Mr. Kreider. I want you to put him in a room with his client. Kreider and answer. Let's give.
Okay, if you don't, okay, I'll call him right now, Judge, in a minute. I know for sure Mr. McCrae, let me see, let him log in. Mr. McCrae needs an offer, Judge, with the state. I'm gonna move you guys to room 6. Miss Mitchell, room 6, there we go.
I don't know if she heard you. Terry, did you hear the interpreter?
No, I did not hear her, Judge. No, what is she saying?
She was saying that could you give her a couple of minutes and text her when you're ready?
I will. I'll text you when we're ready.
Okay.
Thank you, Arlene.
I'm glad to translate for you, Arlene. All right. It's a joke. That was a joke. Meantime, I'm going to mute the iPad because there's a lot of ambient noise coming through. Okay. Miss Davalos.
Your Honor, can I get a moment to talk to the prosecutor on this case?
Certainly. I think she's in a breakout room already with another lawyer.
Yeah.
We're going in there and
Yeah,
giving
moving
comment.
her to room 6, Judge.
Room 6. Facadillo is here.
Felony bonds, Judge. Yes, Mr. McCrae.
I just need a breakout room with the client, please.
Got it. Let me figure out which where they want to put it. You got Ozuna? Which one do I put? 3? 3? Okay. Mr. McCray, I'm moving you to room 3. Are we going on both cases, Mr. McCray?
He's
Leland?
muted. No, Mr. McCray?
Can you hear me?
There you go, Mr. McCray.
Oh,
We're
okay.
just wondering if we're going, which cases are we going on? Are we going on both cases?
They want to have him plead to the theft and dismiss the trespass. I just want to see if he wants to take that off.
Okay, got it. I'm moving you to room 3.
Mr. Cray, are you able to move to room 3?
Let me double check and see if that popped up. Yes, got it now.
Okay. And if Mr. Kreider did not answer, then please give his case away. Okay.
Okay, let me see if I can get Richard Garcia on, Judge. He's my misdemeanor attorney. Richard Garcia can do it, Judge. He is walking into the courthouse. He's going to open up his laptop and get on Zoom to confer with the state judge.
Okay. Okay, Richard Garcia, I'm going to admit him.
Yes, Judge. And there you are, Richard. Good morning, Richard.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You want to confer with the state, Richard? Do you want me to give you some information first? What would you like?
Can you text me the defendant's name and SID number and
Yes, I will.
or
then-
case number?
Yeah, I will. I'll text you all the information. And Richard, I'm moving you to room 6 to talk to the state. Her name is Danica Sterling.
Danica Sterling. Okay,
Sterling, yes, sir. And I'm texting you all that now.
thank you.
Ms. Davalos.
Your Honor, unfortunately, we do not have an agreement on Mr. Sonte. I don't know, we can send it back to 11, maybe on Thursday.
Okay, I'm going to say sent back to court, no agreement.
I'll
No
send it
agreement.
back, no agreement, Judge, and she'll
Send
get
back.
she'll get her date from the court.
Yes,
Thank
if
you.
can stay from that court. Okay, thank you.
Yes, Judge. You have a good day, Judge.
You too.
Kendra, would you move yourself back to 6? Richard Garcia is now doing Danica Sterling. Mr. Kreider didn't show up, so and give him that offer. Richard, can you hear me? Did you got your offer? Did you get the text from me with all the information?
It looks like he's
Can you
muted.
say that again?
Okay, I sent you the e-docs with a voucher and I sent you a text.
Yes, I got the text. I'm checking the email right now.
Okay, got it. Okay, can I move you with your client or you
Yes.
want to wait? Okay, moving you to room 2.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, how's it going, Terry?
Good, Leland. What's going on?
Yeah, we're not going to take that deal. You can send this back to county court 604.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Okay. I
No
will
agreement
expect-
on Mr. Ozuna.
Right, no agreement.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
You're off the hook on that one about that. Yeah, I'm on YouTube now. I'm gonna say
I
anything.
already knew.
Yeah.
I always check their histories, and that kind of gives me an impression of whether they're gonna take it or not.
Yeah. So the only case we have left is Mr. Garcia with
That's correct. Yeah, that's correct, Judge. And I'm gonna bring in
he's
Joanne.
with you right now, the auxiliary clerk.
And
In the meantime, can we have someone from pretrial come and go over the bond docket?
yes,
with me?
Judge, doing that now, Judge, doing that now. Good morning. Can someone log in there, please? Thank you, sweetheart. Okay, bye.
Okay, we have Ms. Carrillo and Ms. Eagle here. I'm assuming you're here on the bond docket, Ms.
Nympha.
Ms. Carrillo?
Yes,
Okay,
can you hear me?
and yes, we can hear you.
Oh, thank you.
I'm waiting to go over the docket with the pretrial person before we do anything else.
Okay.
Yeah, they're logging in, Judge, logging in.
In the meantime, I'm going to take this off of E2.